Welcome back. Today I have 6 more packs of Surging Sparks. Let's get right into these. I got really lucky today hitting a Walmart and then a Target. And I did manage just to pick up 6 packs of these between the both stores. So let's see if I get lucky. I'm really looking for a new Pikachu. All right, energy. Pico, Gamora. I got a new binder in today. I managed to space out all of my Surging Sparks. It's a reverse hollow slack off. Ryocho. Ooh, a Kilowatt EX. I don't have one of those yet. All right, that's first pack. Let's go into the second pack. Second fighting energy. Oh, a Cloctopus. I like that. Actually, funny story. I saw a video today of an octopus riding on a shark's head. I thought that was pretty funny. Caradon. Dragon Elixir. Scatterbug. Reverse Hollow. Zealous. And a Cargophagus. Cool. Let's see. Pack number 3. Well, CeeLo. Fluttermane. Bruxish. Meddling Memo. That's a funny name for a card. Fanfy. Oh, I like that card. It's just an X, but it's a cool looking card. I'm looking for some of the full art cards of this guy, but I don't think there's any in this set. I am working on getting a tracking sheet made of all my sets, so I have better records of the cards that I have. Doing that mostly in Excel, just kind of building that myself. So I update the stats at the end. Spiel, Caspian, Smesian, Lively Stadium, Reverse Hollow, Orungu, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Palkia. Alright, so 4 packs down, nothing really so much. If you guys have any idea or comments or suggestions about things to talk about or things you'd be interested in hearing about while I rip these cards, let me know. Feel. Oh, look at that. A full art Bruxish. And a hollow Landorus. Okay, let's put this one right into a sleeve. Sleeve. There we go. Very nice card. Look at that. I like the ones in the water Pokemon, the underwater ones. If I was able to get my hands on some 151, that's Scarlet and Violet 151, not Bacardi or 151 or anything crazy like that. I would be going for some of those the Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise line there, and the full arts. I think those are some gorgeous cards. All right, this is our pack number 6. Do we get another cool card there? If not, I do think I have probably added quite a few to the collection. New cards. Anyways, some of these look pretty new. Another reverse hollow. And a black Hieromax. Awesome. Alright, so all in all, not so terrible for 6-packs, I would say. Definitely a bunch of new stuff. Just to go through a little review here, I do have 2 new X cards or EX cards. Actually, sorry, make that 3. And then, so that's the Kilowatt, the Cyrilege, or whatever. There, that's my full art. Alright, and then I got my 3 hollows. So thanks for joining today, spending your time with me and while I expand my collection. I hope you enjoyed the rips. Remember, please like and subscribe. Thanks.